Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 8 from paper October 2023 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. Okay, the curve C1 has equation. Alright, this is the equation for C1. This is the equation for curve C2. Show that C1 and C2 meet when. So answer is given. I need to show that when C1 and C2 meet, I get here 2x raised to the power 4 minus 7x squared minus 15 equals to 0. Whenever a question says intersect, meet, it means that I will equate both the equations. So let's this is C1 and this is C2. Let's equate it first. Here I have y, so I can substitute. I can replace y here in C1. Or you can make y the subject in here and then substitute it. It's up to you. In both cases the answer will be same. Let's write down C1. So C1 is xy equals to 15 over 2 minus 5x. Make y the subject. So this would be 15 over 2x minus 5x over x. Simplify. 15 over 2x minus 5, x get cancelled. Okay, so this value of y, I'm going to substitute in C2. And C2 is y equals to x cubed minus 7 over 2x minus 5. Let's replace y with C1. That is 15 over 2x minus 5. Write down right hand side as it is. Okay, take its LCM, cross multiply. 5 times 2 is 10x over cross multiply 2x by x cubed minus 7 over 2x minus 5, expand bracket. So 15 minus 10x equals to 2x raised to the power 4 minus 7 over 2x into 2x, and minus 5 times 2 is 10x. Okay, so 15 minus 10x equals to 2 raised to the power minus 7 over 2x into 2x is 7x squared minus 10x. Collect like terms together. Negative 10x plus 10x is get cancelled. 2x raised to the power 4 minus 7x squared minus 15 equals to 0. I can factorize in terms of x raised to, because this equation is in terms of x raised to the power 4. So there are two ways to do it. Either you just factorize as you do, simple, and instead of writing x, write down x squared. So when you or what you can do, you can assume that x raised to the power 4 is x squared, or you can say that x squared is x. So this, in this case, this would be 2x squared, and this would be minus 7x, because already x squared is here. If I want to find out what is 7x, and minus 15, I just replace x raised to the power 4 with x squared. So factorize sum and product method. So when I factorize it, I'll get here negative 7x. I can write negative 7x as negative 10x plus 3x minus 15. take common, so 2x into x minus 5 plus 3 common, x minus 5, and factorize 2x plus 3 as we have learned in IGCSE. So x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 2 over 3, but x is basically x squared, so I can replace x with x squared equals to 5, and this x squared equals to minus 3 over 2. Find x. Negative root is not possible, so let's just ignore it, and let's continue with x equals to plus minus root 5. So at x equals to root 5, let's check what is y. We got y is 15 over 2x minus 5. Let's replace x with root 5 minus 5, 15 minus 10 root 5 over 2 root 5. I'll take its LCM, make equivalent fraction. Because again I have a third in the denominator, so let's make it third free. Rationalize with 2 root 5. So this would be 5 times 2 is 30, root 5 minus 20 times 5 is 100. 2 2s are 4, 4 times 5 is 20. Take 10 common. 3 root 5 minus 10 over 20. 3 root 5 minus 10 over 2. Or I can write it as 3 root 5 over 2 minus 10 over 2, which is 5. I split it to the denominator. So this was done when x is positive. If x is negative, root 5. So I'll repeat the same for the whole procedure again with negative 2 root 5 minus 5. So 15 over minus 2 root 5 plus 10 root 5. So rationalize it. Expand. 15 times 2 root 5 is 30. So I can get rid of the negative in the denominator by multiplying negative 1 with the numerator. So y equals to negative 15 and negative 10 root 5 over 2 root 5 into multiply. So this is negative 30 root 5 and multiply negative 20 times 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay. So negative 30 root 5 negative 100 over 20. Take 20 common. No, not 20 because there is 30. So what I can take negative, I can take 10 common here. So minus 3 root 5 minus 10 over 20. Let's simplify it. Minus 3 root 5 over 2 minus 10 divided by 2. And that I can write it as minus 5. So this is y. Okay. So I got two values for x. So at root 5, the value of y I got is here. This one, 3 root 5 over 2 minus 5. And at x equals to negative 5, I got this negative 3 root 5 over 2 minus 5. So let's write down. And at negative 5, I got minus 3 root 5 over 2 minus 5. Right? Okay, so question says that find using algebra the exact distance PQ. So the exact distance PQ is, because these are the two coordinates I got here, let's say this is P, let's say this is Q. I have to find the exact distance. Let's use the distance formula here. Let's use the distance formula here. So x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. This is the distance formula. So let's say this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay, so minus root 5 whole squared plus y2 is negative 3 root 5 over 2 minus 5 minus 3 over 2 root 5, because here is negative and this negative is already there, so these two negative will become positive. It's better, so put it in a bracket to avoid mistake. Okay, so this is my negative 2 root 5 and this is minus 3 root 5 over 2 minus 5 minus 3 over 2, 5 plus root 5, this is root 5 and whole squared and a square root on top, whole squared. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20 and this is root 5. So minus root 5 plus root 5 get cancelled, and what is left? Plus minus 3, negative 6 over 2 root 5 whole squared. Six divided by 2 is negative 3, and negative 3 is square of negative 3 is 9 times 5. 45, and that is 65. So the distance in the last part of this question, I'm supposed to find the exact distance of PQ. So this is the exact distance. This was question number 8 from paper October 2023, Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident tackling similar problems. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AY's Math channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Bye.